Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we learn about vowels and consonants. There are five special letters in English alphabets. These are A, E, I, O, and U. These are vowels. Consonants. The letters except vowels are called consonants. There are 21 consonants in English alphabets. These alphabets are consonants. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. These are consonants. There are examples of vowels and consonants. Please subscribe my channel and like my video and also share with friends. Thanks for watching my all friends.